radiator already, or that's already been done? It looks like it's in pretty good shape.
It looks like it's in good shape. It might have just been redone somewhere at some point. Yeah. Yeah, we got a real good guy in San Bernardino that does all that. Mike knows. He's got a few from there. And I think, Allie, you guys have a few things from that I've taken to Bob, too.
A little rusty in there.
Bob's good. Well, it's Gary. Bob was his dad.
Break the last one. Give it a try.
Give it a oomph. There you go.
Oh, good.
There you go.
You make me feel better.
Push or pull?
It's push. Let's push.
I know, no, I was.
Work together. Go team.
Why is it so tight?
It's probably got a lot of load on it because that valve was open.
You got a longer bar on that. Tight.
Who's got a longer bar?
Yeah.
Who's got a pipe? Put a jack handle on it. There you go. There's half-inch drive 5/8. We need a half-inch drive. That's a 3/8 drive. That's half. Do you half-inch socket? They got it.
This comes off, right?
Yeah. You'll be all right. All right.
It's a half-inch drive on it.
There you go. That'll do it. We got the stuff. Okay. Then you got to get the lower hose too. There you go. Look how much easier that is. There. Now you can put that on and loosen them in the center and then work your way out. There it is, right there. Straight down.
You see it.
Pull those hoses, and then it's four. There's 4 half-inch bolts that hold that in.
Yeah, we can start taking it.
We will.
There we go. And there's no trans-cooler lines down there, which makes this way easy.
At this point, I'm just saying I'm washing my hands a lot.
That's weird.
What, did we miss one? No, that's
Half inches.
Half, yeah. Just get a socket, like a deep socket, and just work them out, and that baby will come right out. There you go.
You know what else he did? He got hot.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's nice and warm. Unbolt it, and we'll have Mr. Guest of Honor over here pull it off.
Mwah.
Your guest of honor tonight. Woo! Mark's guest of honor.
There you go. Use that.
Is that all of them? You got one there. We make sure all those oil lines are out. Okay, don't lose that. Remember where this goes, everybody. Okay.
Where does it go? I guess in the front.
Okay, those will come out like that. So
So
you want
pull
to
it straight
pull
up.
it straight up.
Okay. You have to get into the swamp here.
Get into the swamp.
Pull.
Right in the center.
You got the oil line or whatever.
They slide right out. They'll slide right out.
You mean like this way?
Yeah, just go straight
pull it
up.
straight up.
Straight up. Should come right
You
up.
sure there's not something else hung up in there?
Looks like
It feels like there's something.
There it is.
There.
You just gotta work it.
it's really cruddy.
Oh, that's.
It's
Ow! It's really hot. Now, can this come out any easier?
yeah, it will. It'll come right out. You just
Sure.
gotta work it. Come on. There it goes. It's coming. There it is.
There it is. So where would you like me to put this?
Set it over on the table right there where the valve cover is.
Ow.
Whee! It's got a little funk to it. Oh, and it's got a little damage in it too. It looks like
Where do you see that?
You want to bend here?
right here. Where see how
A
it's
little pinch.
see how it's pinched. We might have to monkey with that a little bit later. Okay.
Look at that. Well, thank you.
Smile, smile.
Oh my God!
There we go.
Okay, excuse me, DJ.
All right.
All right.
What size are the 7/16ths?
They look like it.
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
They're pretty big.
Yeah. The retainers. Yeah.
I raced through a board meeting at my neighbor's house where our neighbor